Hello, are you aiming for a grade 4 or 5 in GCSE Maths? Maybe you're at school and you're doing the foundation tier, or maybe you're an adult learner who has returned to studying maths to get that magic grade 4 to improve your career prospects. Or maybe your school has put you in for higher, but you're not feeling all that confident about the foundation content. Of course, there are masses of resources to help you with your maths that are available online, but it's often difficult to know where to start because there's so much there and you don't know what's going to be relevant to you personally for the level that you are aiming at. If you take a look at my Grade 4 Essentials for GCSE Maths course, you'll find all the topics that you need to get to grips with in order to be confident of getting a secure grade 4 in your GCSE. Of course, you will still need to do lots of exam practice as well. This is more about making sure you've got the underlying skills for those exams. So, what do you get? My name is Lynn. I'm a qualified teacher with over 15 years experience of teaching maths at GCSE and also at A-level. And for several years, I've also been marking exams at GCSE and A-level for one of the major exam boards. It's relevant no matter which exam board you're working with, and also if you're doing the Edexcel International GCSE, it's relevant for that as well because the differences between the IGCSE at Foundation and the GCSE at Foundation are actually very small. There are 4 modules. First, you've got number and ratio, then geometry and measure, then algebra and graphs, and finally statistics and probability. I have left out some of the harder foundation topics, such as SOHCAHTOA for triangles and compound percentage change, because you only really need those if you're aiming for that grade 5. I may well add a supplementary course to cover those harder topics for the people that are aiming that high. You subscribe to each module separately, so you can do all 4 of them or any combination of them, and you can do them in any order, though I would recommend a bit of interleaving, so do a bit of one and then a bit of another so that you're doing several different topics alternately. The backbone of the course is a set of specially recorded videos. So in module 1, for example, there are 6 hours of video and you go at your own pace. So you've got none of the drawbacks of live webinars. You can rewind, repeat as many times as you want to. You don't need to worry about missing anything. And there are lots of built-in opportunities to practice your skills as well. So there's lots of places where I'll say, pause the video, have a go at these questions. And then when you've done as much as you can with them, you can press play and I will go through them in detail so you can understand what you should have done if you didn't quite get them. There are also quizzes. So every 3-4 lessons or so, there is a quiz that you can do to check your knowledge and your understanding, and you can redo those quizzes multiple times. At the end of each module, you can download a completion certificate. I have a free Facebook group, so if there's anything on the course that you haven't managed to get your head around that you're still struggling with, you can always come onto the Facebook group and ask about it there. For the exam practice or for anything that you want additional practice with, there are links provided pointing you to recommended resources for that. And once you've subscribed to the course, your subscription lasts indefinitely. It doesn't expire, so you can revisit it whenever you like. So if you're interested in finding out more, come and have a look at mathscourses.co.uk and you'll get more detail about the course there, and the first hour's worth of lessons are available as a free preview to help you decide whether you want to pay to subscribe for the rest of it. I look forward to your visit.